basic salt? Basic salt are formed when a strong base react with weak acid. This shows pH value more than the 7. This shows the pH value more than the 7. Examples are baking soda and washing soda. What are the examples we can give? We can give examples baking soda and washing soda. Now third type of salt we have seen is the neutral salt. So salt when strong acid react with strong base, then the neutral salts are formed and they have the pH value of 7. They are neither acidic nor basic. For example, our normal home salt, that is sodium chloride. Okay dear students, what is the use of this salt, or we can say what is the use of this neutralization reaction? So neutralization reaction are very quite common in everyday life. Once again we will recall what is the neutralization reaction. So neutralization reaction is a reaction in which acid react with base to form salt and water. What is the neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction is a reaction in which acid react with base to form a salt and water. Now what are the uses of neutralization reaction? So first use in it, so neutralization reaction is very common. For example, insect sting. So whenever any insects bite us, we directly apply a base on it. For example, we know that stings of an insect contains a acid. In the beginning of the chapter we have studied that stings of an insect contains a acid. So whenever insect stings us, it inserts the acid in it. So to reduce the acidity, what we do, we generally apply a calamine lotion, which is a zinc carbonate base, Due to applying of this base, the neutralization reaction takes place in our skin, and then we does not feel any kind of irritation. Okay, next, soil treatment. So when the soil becomes too acidic for plant to grow properly, how does the soil become now acidic? Due to the rainfall, due to this acid rain, and due to the applying of the fertilizers, the soil generally become acidic in nature. So to decrease the acidity and to make the soil again fertile, we generally apply basic substance such as quicklime or slaked lime or chalk in the soil. If we generally add quicklime, slaked lime or chalk, which are the bases to neutralize the soil. Neutral soil is generally best for growing the healthy crops. Now in digestion, we all are familiar with this. Sometimes our stomach get upset, and in that we feel a lot of acidity. So due to this, why do we feel this acidity? We feel this acidity as we know that our stomach contains some amount of hydrochloric acid present in it. Which for the digestion of food. So when this excessive production of hydrochloric acid takes place in our body, we feel a stomach upset. So to overcome this, we take a ENO or something like that which contains base in them, and generally these are called as acids. Generally these are called as antacids. For example, baking soda or magnesium hydroxide. We generally take baking soda or magnesium hydroxide as they are basic in nature. They neutralize the stomach acid, relieving the acidity. Third, factory waste. So generally industrial waste are directly drained into the aquatic water bodies. Industrial waste are directly drained into the aquatic bodies, and due to this the water of the rivers or the water bodies become acidic. Water of the water bodies or become acidic. So to remove this acidity of the water, we add slaked lime to the water to remove the acidity and to neutralize the water. So we apply this slaked lime to the waste to neutralize the acid before releasing it in the water bodies.